PeriPage mini label printer, 2-inch size, compact and portable. 3 machines with 6 different color types. Press lightly to open. PeriPage software Bluetooth connection. Choose from a variety of templates. Fast print tape, press cut tape. Self-contained adhesive is more convenient. So, paste whatever you want.
Drawers can become messy if not organized. PeriPage printer to help you solve your current problems. Generate your category labels with one click. Organize and categorize your small objects as you like. Sort and organize your subject textbooks at the same time. The medicines in the medicine box are random, and it takes time to find them. Open PeriPage's mobile app. Print your drug name classification. Easy to paste on the classification of each layer. Storage is really simple.